Jeff here from V-Twin Visionary. Finally got him here. We got some dirty tails for him to, what do we call it when you test them?
Do a little demo.
Demo, yeah, demo. So we're gonna start him off on the Evo, and then we're gonna upgrade him to the built twin cam, and then finally the big 124 M8.
So, tell me a little bit about how the Dirty Tail came about. I mean, we all know that although the Softail looked cool with that hardtail look, they rode like dog shit.
Yes.
So,
there's a story. So we did some shovel heads, me and Sideshow. Basically, I took the shovel head over to Sideshow's, cut the neck off, threw a bunch of parts out, and anyway, so he put it all together for me, and I rode it around, and we were just thinking, you know what if we took a Softail, because everybody loved the shovel all laid out with the 26. So we did the neck, and we did this, that, and the other, and then Sideshow's like, well, what if we do the shovel head shocks on the back?
That's
and I'm
pretty
just like,
rad.
oh my God, genius.
Yeah.
So he took a Sportster swing arm at first, and anyway, once we got the first one done, it rode so good that we were off, and I had them made, and
Right.
the bagger trees, and I mean, they just ride like you can't. Like you're about to find out.
yeah, I'm gonna find out. Like, you know me, dude. I don't really ride any big wheels like this, and I think the biggest wheel I've ever owned is a 23.
Yeah.
So I'm super excited, man.
Yeah.
And
I want you to tell it like it is.
Yeah,
when it's done.
and I know that you ride the shit out of anything that you build and own.
Yeah.
So let's get to it.
All right.
All right.
Start with the Evo.
And a Softail that rides good.
Wait till you ride those. I'll put this back.
Yeah. Pretty rad.
Fuck, he's smiling.
Wait till you ride that one. The next one's ridiculous.
This one's sick.
Right?
So you just don't feel the suspension.
So hit those buttons there on the side of the coil.
That's the thing. You don't feel it. Like you think you would be feeling so much, especially with air, you know?
Yeah.
The technology of air is crazy.
Well, Dirty Air makes it shot.
Yeah.
They're our own special
Everything.
Yeah. We work with them pretty close.
The best, right?
Out of the three. So now this one has an electric center stand, so
Okay.
the center switch, and then I got three.
Okay. So I mean, these things ride like, it doesn't ride like any Harley product at all. Like, you don't feel that sprung coil spring feeling. Like, it just has, the spring rate is that, the only spring rate you get.
Let me get, wait, sit down.
Right.
Do you get I get a better review like this?
Yeah. Way better review.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, back massages help.
So what do you really think about this dirty tail?
I love it. No, I think that the way it feels with that air spring over a coil that obviously binds when it bottoms out, it's crazy. I mean, I'm gonna tell you right now, these bikes ride good, and if you don't believe it, come to Phoenix, Arizona, and Sean will let you ride one.